Hi, I'm Lam. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're talking about the Charlotte Tilbury Nude Romance lipstick. And we're going to see if Charlotte Tilbury can make a nude that looks good on my medium olive skin. I don't know about you guys, but for me, nude lipsticks are very hard to find. It is very difficult for me to find one that looks good on my skin tone because they're either too pink or too concealer like, or when I want to get like an easy choice, then we're getting to the medium nude category again. So it's very difficult to find a lighter nude that looks good. It is very difficult to have a gorgeous sun-kissed medium olive skin tone complexion like me. Just kidding, but honestly, it's very difficult. So the challenge today is to see if this new lipstick is going to break that curse for me. So far, I don't think this is a limited edition, and this is called a new Look of Love lipstick, 37 US dollars. Darlings, if you love my iconic pillow talk shade, you will fall in love with my new Kissing lipstick in Nude Romance. This is a magical peachy nude lipstick in a refillable, bejeweled case that will be every bride's best friend, every supermodel's runway secret, and everyone's party trick to cheat your most luscious lips. It feels like rose petals on the lips, nourishing them so they never look cakey or dry, only kissable and irresistible with a beautiful satin finish. There is 3.5 grams of product in here, and the claims will go on and on, so you can check out her website if you want to see the magical description of this lipstick. But I'm here to test the product itself, so let's get right on to it. This product is made in Italy and it has an expiration date of 18 months. It comes in this beautiful, very Valentine's Day packaging. It is bejeweled. This reminds me of the Hot Lips 2 collection with this kind of logo on it. And then you open it up. It is not magnetic, it is a clasp. Inside is the lipstick. There is a little bit of a detail on the bullet itself. This packaging is refillable, which means you can take out the lipstick when you are done using it and put a different shade put the refill of a different shade in, or of the same lipstick, and that way you can keep using the same outer packaging, which is a great idea, but I have no idea how to do it and I'm not risking it today, so no. Let's do some lip swatches right now because I don't want to be this pale anymore. Oh my god, I almost dropped this powder. So I have a little bit of concealer on my lips. You can see my lips are quite chapped because I want to see the full effect of this product. That's part of the claims. That is not going to make the lips look cakey, and it's going to nourish the lip. Usually I would put like a layer of lip balm on top first, but we're not going to do it today just for experimenting sake. It feels stunning. Doesn't feel like the matte formula. Of course, this is the kissing formula, so it's a lot more hydrating, so it doesn't feel dry, and it does have a little bit of a glide onto it. It's not super hydrating, but it's very helpful when you have dry lips like mine today. But it doesn't look super shiny. As time goes on, it does turn more and more matte. Regardless, I think the pigmentation is great. It smells slightly like a cookie. Not very strong scent at all, and the scent does go away after a few minutes. At first, when I applied it, it seems like a medium nude, but when I put my lips together and blend it out a little bit, it becomes a lot lighter of a nude. And it goes really well with my skin tone, I think. It's not super concealer-like. It has a little bit of a peachy tint to it, which makes it very, very wearable for more skin tones. And it is kind of like the Pillow Talk, but the warmer version. I will show you in a little bit in the hand swatch against that lipstick. And I feel like personally on my skin tone, this looks better than Pillow Talk. Pillow Talk probably looks a little better on someone who has cooler skin tone or pink undertone, because that one is leaning more pink and mauve-y. It looks good on my skin tone too, but it's a little bit too light of a nude to look good on my skin tone. It still look good, but this one is a much more suitable version of it. Love it. This is the new Kissing formula in Nude Romance. Already forgetting. Original Pillow Talk. Pillow Talk is a lot more pink, and actually Pillow Talk looks a little bit lighter in depth compared to the new Nude Romance. And of course, they're different formula, so you can see Nude Romance has a little bit of a shine, while Pillow Talk is a matte, so it looks more flat. This kissing formula is my favorite formula from Charlotte Tilbury so far. It's the first kissing formula that I have from her, and I'm in love with it. It's just so much more easy to use, and it feels a little bit more comfortable on the lips. I have a video comparing Pillow Talk to Pillow Talk Medium. If you're interested, I'll link it in the description box and also up here so you can check it out. Another lipstick in my collection that I really love that this reminds me of is Mull It Over. This is a Powder Kiss lipstick formula from MAC, and it is also a peachy shade. This is Mull It Over. Mull It Over is just a lot brighter, a lot more peachy, and it is a matte formula. Nude Romance has a little bit of a beige undertone to it, which Mull It Over and Pillow Talk don't have. Lip Souffle in the shade Fearless. Oh, never mind. This is more mauve on top right here, so it's not similar. Revlon cream lipstick in the shade 763, Make Me Blush. Actually, Make Me Blush is kind of very close to Nude Romance. So Make Me Blush is the darker version of Nude Romance, but the formula, from what I can see here, they're very, very similar. The Revlon lipstick is a little bit more pink. It's a little bit darker in depth. Final thoughts time. I do realize that now that Charlotte Tilbury can make one shade of nude that suits everyone. It looks really, really nice on my skin tone. If I exfoliate my lips and put a lip balm on beforehand, it would be perfect, and it's gonna go great with a darker lipstick on the inside or a lip liner outside. It will be very versatile. It looks a little bit better when you have makeup on because it is a nude. Even yesterday when I didn't wear anything, it still looked good on me. On my skin tone is a medium light peachy nude. I think for super light skin tone it's going to be a medium nude, and on dark skin tone is going to be appeared as a light nude. So it is suitable for every single person. I'm sorry, Charlotte Tilbury. I doubted you, darling. You are right. This suits everyone. And I'm more excited that it's refillable. I'm more excited that it's not a limited edition. I'm so done with limited edition. If you have medium olive skin like me and you have trouble finding a nude that works on your skin tone, I highly recommend trying this. Or even Pillow Talk looks good on my skin tone too. You can check it out on my video. This is a little bit better because it has a little bit of warmth, and it's a little deeper than Pillow Talk. So on my skin tone, it looks even more stunning, and this can be used all year round, all occasion. This formula is a little bit easier to use, and it's gonna be a lot more comfortable when you apply it and throughout the wear. That's it for this video. I hope it's not 1,000 years long like all of my other videos. I hope you have a wonderful day. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of this lipstick. Are you excited for it? Are you picking it up? I will see you in my next video. Until next time, don't flop.